everyone, today I'm going to show you how I create this beautiful floral seamless pattern design on my iPad step by step. So you can follow these techniques and tips to create your own seamless pattern design. So be sure to watch until the end of the video to see the final result. Let's start. I hope you already watched my previous video where I show how I create this floral element. If you haven't seen it yet, I recommend check it out first. Before I start, I create a new layer by tapping on the plus icon and drag it below all the flower layers because I want it to be the background layer. Next, I choose a color, yellow color, for the background and simply drag and drop the color to fill the canvas. Then tap on the selection tool. I resize the square, rotate it to a 45-degree angle to create diamond shape and position it within the canvas like this. After that, I merge all the flower layers together by pinching them into a single layer. Then I adjust the floral design to fit neatly inside the diamond shape like this. Once I'm happy with the placement, I merge the flower layer with the background layer and then I duplicate the merged layer 4 times to create the seamless pattern layout. Now tap on the action menu, turn on drawing guide and select edit in drawing guide. Choose symmetry from the bottom menu and select quadrant since I want the design to repeat 4 times. Tap done to save the setting. Then select each layer one by one and position them carefully so they align with the quadrant guidelines. Once all 4 sections are placed correctly, our repeat pattern is complete. Next, open the layers panel and merge all 4 layers together by pinching them into a single layer. After that, duplicate the merged layer 4 times again. Now you can see how beautifully the floral design element connect and repeat seamlessly across the canvas. So this is one method for creating seamless repeat pattern, and I'll be sharing even easier techniques in future videos. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So here's the final result. If you would like to create a large repeat pattern, simply duplicate the design again. I usually keep an extra duplicate layer as a backup, then merge the layers and arrange them as before to expand the pattern even further. Finally, turn off the drawing guide and our seamless floral pattern is finished. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing and design videos. See you next one.